Tracy here with CocoCon Essential Oils. Today we're going to talk about essential oils for sunburns and make a quick recipe with an aloe gel base. So lavender and chamomile, Roman chamomile, are great essential oils for sunburns. Lavender is calming and cooling. It's good for sun damaged skin. It's cell regenerative. And Roman chamomile is good for that red inflamed skin as well. So, and then you combine them together in an aloe gel base and it just takes it up phenomenally. So we have 3 sizes of aloe gel here at CocoCon. We're going to do, the recipe I'm going to give you is in a 1 ounce size of aloe gel. So you can take the recipe, quadruple it, double it, however much you want to make with it. So here we have 1 ounce of aloe gel, which is about 2 tablespoons. And we are going to add 5 drops lavender essential oil, and 5 drops Roman chamomile essential oil. And if you're making this for children under 5 years old, you want to cut those drops in half. So you would do like 3 drops lavender and 2 drops Roman chamomile. Okay, so we got 5 drops Roman chamomile. And that is it. You put your cap on. This is nice to keep it in the fridge because it feels exceptionally soothing when you put the cold aloe on hot red sunburnt skin. So anyways, that is our recipe today for making your own sunburn soother spray and learning about lavender and Roman chamomile essential oils for sunburns. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.